I'd like to show you how to install your Shawnee escape ladder belt onto your turnout pants. And there's a few things you should know on pretty much most belts. But to install the Shawnee, which by the way is ambidextrous, you can do it either way and it'll go fine. I tend to like the D-ring side to be on the flap. So wherever the flap is, that's what I would like. But depending on your bailouts, where it's your bailouts, if you don't have one on one side and the pockets where it is, you can decide which side you want, if you want the other side or this side. You have to see what works best for the way your turnouts are built. So I'm going to, by the way, it's shown here without suspenders just so it wouldn't be so messy, but put your suspenders back on to be compliant. Open up the Velcro here. Put the label down. Now here's where it gets controversial. You'll see these belt loops here and you'll automatically want to place your belt in there. It'll hold your belt fine. The only problem is you will not have a very good adjuster in that area. If you do use this on adjustment on that area, if you do use this strap on the adjuster side, place the strap between the adjusters as you've seen here. That way you see it here like this. That holds the buckle in place. Also then you still have the cinch capability to cinch this down when it's tightened. On this side, I probably wouldn't use this piece here. You have one over here on this side here. Yes, it might drop down and that doesn't feel right, but you might be placing your bailout here onto this here. If you have your bailout here, you want this to be able to slide. So these are the choices that you're going to have to make. You can use this, but if you do use this, this is not going to slide forward as far as you want. You can add an O-ring, and if you do add this O-ring, so you can have your bailout on this side, let's say, and your ladder ops on this side, so getting in and out of your turnouts. This O-ring goes onto this side between these two here. You can't slide it on here. You have to unweave this and slide this in between both. Both of these straps have to be in. That way your bailout system could be on this side and your ladder ops can be on this side here. But for more information, contact Fire Innovations or fireinnovations.com.